Hi guys, this is Gar Guy UK. So today I wanted to show you a wireless car transmitter, an FM transmitter. So here we have the T25, which was purchased from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. So what you're able to do with this car product, you're able to transmit the music from UDisc or micro SD card to the car stereo via the FM signal. You can transmit the music of your Bluetooth enabled smart device to the car stereo via the FM signal, which I think is going to be the most popular for most people. You can use this to answer hands-free phone calls during driving, and it's got two USB ports for charging devices. And if you notice as well, it's also got an ambient ring light, an LED display. So when the power is on, the ambient light around the edge will come on. So yeah, let's have a look. So it's very tiny looking. And there it is. See that? So that plugs into your cigarette lighter. So looking round the device then, so we've got the display, so that'll display the radio station that you've tuned to when it's plugged in, and as you can see we've got the light ring all the way around, which will light up as I've already mentioned. We've got the SD card slot, and we've got the two USB charging ports, so you're able to charge two devices simultaneously, and it's got overcharge protection. And with this wireless device you can conveniently answer and reject and redial calls through the hands-free function and enjoy safe driving. So as I've mentioned, when the power is on, the ambient luminous ring light will illuminate blue, making it easy to use in the dark environments at night time in the car. So it's easy to set up. You just plug the wireless car kit into the cigarette lighter socket and tune the FM radio to a blank station which matches this as well, and you'll be able to stream your music through it. So I think what we need to do is we just need to get into the car and test it. So I'll see you in the car. Okay, so we're in the car with the FM transmitter. So what we'll do is we'll plug it in. And as you can see, the light around the edges come on, and you can see the display has turned on. So this is where we can tune it. Okay, so what I've done is I've connected my iPad, or a device that you're going to stream music from. So I've connected that to the T25 FM transmitter. So you just need to go to your Bluetooth settings on your device. It'll come up as T25, and then you need to connect. So I'm not getting any music from the 87.5 FM channel. As you can hear, it's just static. So if I tune that to the same radio station, 87.5, I should, in theory, be able to stream the music through the FM transmitter to my car stereo. So let's give that a go. So let me select some music. Right, so let me select some music and we'll send it through the FM transmitter that's transmitting at 87.5 to the FM channel on my car stereo, which is set to 87.5, and let's see if it works.
Waiting for connection. Bluetooth is connected.
Okay, so I have to have the car running, and as you heard, it's now connected. So let's see if it plays music from my iPad through the FM transmitter and into my car stereo, because they're both tuned at 87.5, which is a clear channel. So yeah, as you can hear, it works. So there, I'm transmitting at 87.5, which is the same as the FM transmitter, and I'm playing directly from my iPad, because obviously I'm using my phone to film, so I would normally use the phone. So that's the FM transmitter. So as you can hear, it works well. You can see the ambient light around the edge, which I think will look really nice at night, especially if you need to find the device. It's easily noticeable with the light. Yeah, so I'm really happy that it works. So I do recommend this product. The sound sounds quite well, so let's just listen to the sound again. So yeah, so it's really good for people that don't have an inbuilt system to be able to just load up music and plug and play like a CarPlay device. You can just use this little transmitter. What I'll do is I'll put a link to it. I purchased it from Amazon, so I'll put that in the description. So if you want to purchase one, yeah, go right ahead. I feel it's a really good bargain, especially if you need to be able to stream music from maybe older cars, and if you've got a cigarette lighter, then it's more than going to work. So I hope that has given you some insight into the product to see if it's worthwhile purchasing one for yourself. They're quite cheap, so it's not going to break the bank. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you've liked the video, please like and subscribe. That always helps my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.